I just have to shout out to Pop on Veneers because you worked with, like, I didn't have teeth to give you an impression, and you gave me my smile back. Like, I am so ecstatic, and it's so easy too. The whole process took less than 3 weeks, from start to finish, from order to receiving my lovely pearly whites again. So let me just show you how easy this is. So you just stick it on, and did you hear the snap? And then they just snap on. And my top, and just snap. This is my exact smile from before I got sick and everything. So shout out to Pop on Veneers. I have a little bit of a lisp, but that'll go away. I've had partials in the past, and this is, I mean, I'm ecstatic.